Hightop Company has 20 years of experience, specializing in producing architectural and decorative metal mesh. Served a lot of interior and exterior projects. There are more than 1,000 pattern designs to meet clients' requirement. For the woven metal mesh, the diverse designs and surface treatments are loved by many designers, architects, and developers. Widely used in hotels, restaurants, libraries, concert halls, office buildings, and etc. Hightop products are exported to more than 70 countries in Europe, USA, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and etc. Glad to work with worldwide architects and designers.